Developers, imagine if your terminal could do more than just run commands. What if it could think with you? Today I'm showing you an amazing AI tool called Auggie, your powerful AI coding agent that lives right inside your terminal. Auggie is part of Augment Code, and it brings the company's powerful context engine and AI agents directly into your development workflow. This means your terminal is no longer just a command line. It becomes your AI-powered assistant that helps you write, debug, refactor, and even automate your entire coding process. So what makes Auggie special? Deep context understanding. It knows your codebase, your files, and your repo rules, custom/commands, create your own commands to fit your workflow. Model picker, switch between multiple AI models whenever you need. Prompt enhancer, automatically improves your prompts for better results. Secure by design, you control what Auggie can or cannot do inside your stack. What can Auggie do? Here's how Auggie helps developers every day. Understand your codebase. No more searching line by line, Auggie already knows. Edit files from tiny fixes to multi-file refactors done with a single command. Run commands, just like you would, but now with AI guidance. Debug issues, works with your existing tools, linters, and tests. Automate workflows, use custom commands to handle repetitive tasks. Basically, it's like having a coding partner inside your terminal, one that never gets tired. How to install? Getting started is super easy. All you need is Node.js 22+ and then run this command in your terminal. npm install g at Augment Code Auggie. After that, run this command Auggie. Login. You have to add your bank account details to Auggie. That's it. Auggie is ready to run anywhere. Copy the JSON response here in the terminal. You can select model like Claude Sonnet 4 and GPT-5 by using /model command. You can use the /task command to use Task Manager to break down text into manageable steps. You can use the /GitHub workflow for set up GitHub workflows for PR automation. Now let us create a SaaS landing page by using Auggie. Please create a folder and copy the folder path and type cd and paste the folder path and write a prompt. Create a SaaS landing page with the name the Just AI space. I type /p command to optimize this simple prompt and create an index.html file, script.js, and read.md file. When I open the index.html file, you can see the SaaS landing page. I am inside my project folder and Auggie is already installed. Let's start interactive mode. Now I'll type this prompt. Generate a GitHub Actions workflow file to run tests on every PR. Auggie will analyze the project and generate a ready-to-use .yml workflow file, and boom, automation ready. Deploying your app to Vercel usually requires setting up a CI/CD pipeline manually, but with Auggie, you can generate a ready-to-use config in just one command. I'm inside my project directory and Auggie is installed. Now I'll type the prompt. Create a CI/CD pipeline config for deployment to Vercel. Auggie will scan my project and generate a CI/CD configuration file. Here's what Auggie suggested. A .github/workflows/deploy.yml file normally takes a bunch of manual YAML writing and secret handling. Just one prompt and you're ready to deploy automatically. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Just AI Space.